Hey vlog, hey, so it's been a little while since I've been back on YouTube, but I'm excited to bring you guys along with me today as I go shoot some content. Right now it is 11:30. Believe it or not, I've been up since 7 o'clock kind of getting ready for this.
3 hours later.
The key to a good shoot day is always being prepared in advance. So for me, I actually like to pick out my clothes at least a day in advance. These ones I actually chose a few days in advance because I was supposed to go earlier this week. But I also wanted to make some like last second additions. That's when I go ahead and like choose things like accessories as well. And if there's gonna be any campaigns that I'm shooting, I'll make sure to go ahead and include that as well. I always like to pack up my clothes and take everything to the car minus the outfit that I'll be shooting in first, which in this case is that express jumpsuit. Then it was time to get ready, and honestly y'all, I feel like I just need to get my hair done at this point because it took me so long to decide on a hairstyle. And I was just freestyling literally because I'm like, you know what? Something's gotta give. We gonna make something shake. I've been gelling my hair so much lately and I was like, you know what? No, we're gonna do something different today. And I love getting ready on shoot day and being able to just take my time doing my makeup. I feel like shoot day is really one of the only times during the week where I am wearing makeup. So it's nice to just take things really slowly, listen to my tunes. I have a total of 5 outfits today. I'm hoping to be done within like the next 2 hours or so, just so that I can relax because I know I'm going out tonight. So just relaxing at home, chilling, binge watching shows. So yeah, let's go ahead and head out. Your girl is finally downtown. That's where I'm planning to shoot today. I really like coming here just when it's kind of like I'm tired of shooting at the same type of spots. Haven't been downtown for a shoot in a minute. But yeah, I just picked a random street after just driving around for a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just how it looks like when it comes to me setting up, different things like that, getting the shot, all that good stuff. Right now, I'm wearing my first look, which is for Express. So I typically like to either shoot in the thing that's the hardest to get in and out of, or if I'm gonna be shooting campaigns, shoot those first just so I get it out the way. And believe it or not, it's a little bit chilly here in Houston today, so I'm actually like, whoa. It's good because I specifically waited because I'm like, I'm not trying to be sweating and burning up wearing fall clothes. But now it's like actually 50 degrees. I'm like, whoa, I was meaning like 65, 70. So yeah, about to go ahead and get started. And I will check in with y'all shortly. Since this first look is with Express and they kind of have more of that like classic modern look, I definitely wanted to go ahead and choose a space that reflected that. As you can see, I'm getting my camera and my tripod set up, making sure that it's at a height I like, and being sure to take some test shots. I feel like test shots are essential because it honestly shows me like, all right, am I feeling this? Do I like it? Do I not? And yes, I'm not gonna wear my heels until the test shots are over because listen, we don't need our feet hurting for longer than they need to. I tried to use this blazer as an accessory, and honestly, I tried like a few shots in. I was like, you know what, let me get rid of it. The focus is supposed to be on the jumpsuit anyway. But once I switched the angles up, honestly, there was a lot of people in the background for the other shot, and then I honestly wasn't really feeling the shot either. But once I switched the camera angle up, you can kind of see here that I start to look more confident. Like I was in my groove, and yo, let's just look at the material. Like, I'ma just, wow, like who is she? I always change in the car, and usually I have a fitted sheet that I put over my body. However, I forgot it at home today, so I just had to make sure to be super careful. And I also parked in an area that wasn't crowded at all, so there weren't too many people walking by just in case. But I was just moving steadily and, you know, did what I had to do, got in, got out, and changed. So here I'm getting test shots, of course, before changing into my heels, my booty heels. These heels are cute, but uncomfortable, y'all. And I done forgot my socks at home. I was like, oh Lord, what's going on? Come on, girl, get it together. I couldn't decide what glasses that I wanted to wear, so I ended up basically taking test shots in both of them. But ultimately, I decided that, you know what, we're not doing any glasses on this look. And truth be told, I was not feeling this look at all, or the shots that I was getting. I think I spent the least amount of time shooting this look just because I was so over it. And it's like, I like how the pictures came out kinda, but then it's like, the fit wasn't doing what I thought it would, so. One thing that I've been doing lately is embracing the sunlight. I feel like I used to always want to shoot where it was, you know, being in the shade or whatever the case may be. But lately, yeah, I've been embracing the sun, letting that shine in through my pictures. And even this, like, y'all gonna see when it comes out, but you could just tell by this point in time, I was also on like a really secluded street. So like, I just felt so comfortable, such like a baddie. Like, I knew I was glowing. And also my hair. Y'all, this was an unexpected hair moment because my hair was not doing what I had to do, or I wasn't feeling it anymore, really. But these pictures, though, you can't even see. Just wait. One thing I've been trying to do lately as well too is really just challenging myself to be more out of the box when it comes to my posing and when it comes to like the backgrounds that I'm choosing and everything like that. For this look, I knew I wanted it to be like kind of dramatic and moody, and y'all are about to see, but really just being able to utilize the whole entire frame versus it being just a focus on the outfit that I'm wearing. I feel like I love these pictures so much, and I got a few different angles that were going in there. That's always one thing that I try to do, like get some detail shots, get some far away shots, and getting some up close shots just so I have that variation also. This last look, I feel like it came together so good in my head, but when I tried it on, like I was like, absolutely not. And luckily, that skirt that I showed y'all earlier, it didn't end up working over the brown dress, but I paired it with the sweater instead, and y'all, chef's kiss. I feel like this is a perfect combination for the fall. And honestly, like once I get a pole right there and I be leaning up on it, we know some magic's about to happen. Hey vlog, so I am realizing that I got home from shoot day and basically went into relax mode that I didn't even update y'all, but if you cannot tell from the pictures, shoot day was a success. I feel like I have so many favorites. Like that's the thing, like sometimes when I'm out shooting, I start with the first look and then by like the second look, I'm like, all right, that one's my favorite. But then by the last one, I'm like, I don't even know which one to choose because I love them all. But please make sure to drop any questions that you have as it relates to shoot day. So whether that's like lighting, camera angles, editing, anything, just really anything that you have questions on. I do want to make this like a weekly series where I'm showing you guys how the ins and outs of my shoot day goes and being able to address any questions that you guys may have. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate the support, and I'm really excited to be back bringing y'all consistent vids. Quality is coming. Stay tuned, drop the comments below, and also make sure to sub if you're not yet subbed already, and I'll see you back for my next one. Bye guys.